Today we are going to do kitchen gardening, in which we will learn how to grow garlic. Garlic can be used in many ways, from enhancing a dish flavor to just a fun plant to grow. So here I am taking garlic cloves. So there are different many ways to grow garlic, whether it's growing them indoor, growing them in water or outdoor. There are always be struggle and confusion. Fortunately, this guide will solve your all problems, and here you will learn how to correctly and successfully grow garlic. So first of all, here I am going to dig soil. Obviously, for any plant you have to dig soil, so that if you grow something, if you are putting something in the soil, it can be go easily and can be plant easily. Let's start. Now, in general, the best time for planting are mid-autumn or early spring. Garlic grows well in a wide range of climate. It does less well in areas of high heat or humidity, or where there is a lot of rainfall. Garlic needs a lot of full sun, but it might tolerate partial shade provided it's not very long during the day. The soil must be well dug over and crumbly. Sandy loam is best. Choose fresh garlic bulbs with large cloves. Avoid garlic that has become soft. Each clove will sprout into a garlic plant. If you have some garlic at home that has sprouted, that's great to use. Break the cloves from a fresh garlic head. Be careful not to damage the cloves at the base where they attach the garlic plate. If the base is damaged, the garlic will not grow. Now push each clove into the soil. Point the tips upward and plant the clove about 2 inches, that is 5 cm deep. The clove should not be spaced about 8 inches, that is 20 cm apart for best growing conditions. Now cover the planted clove with mulch. Suitable toppings include hay, dry leaves, straw, compost, well-rotted manure or rotted grass clippings. Now similarly I am planting other cloves as well. You have to keep in mind that water the plants when necessary. Newly planted garlic needs to be kept moist to help the root to develop. Don't overdo the water, however, as garlic does not grow well. Then after 10 days you will find some small shoots are coming out of your garlic plant, and here we are done.